This is Tahlia's story. Tahlia loves gardening. She remembers the Millennium Drought and the stress it put on her garden.
Many gardeners were having to decide which plants to keep. There wasn't enough water for them all. I remember saving my shower water for the garden. I bought 2 rectangular buckets to collect as much water as possible.
These days, Tahlia's garden looks a lot different.
I sat down and thought about what I really like about my garden. I like herbs, veggies, and being able to make a bouquet of flowers. From there, I made decisions on which plants to prioritise.
Tahlia knows the permanent water-saving rules. 5 rules that help everyone use tap water efficiently outside. She's happy to only use her watering system between 6 p.m. and 10 a.m.
I think the rules make sense. Watering at cooler times in the day means the water soaks into the soil rather than just evaporating in the heat. And why not do what we can to save water now, rather than waiting until it gets dry?
Visit our website to find out how to future-proof your garden.